Hello students, today I am going to talk about micromineral selenium. Distribution of selenium. Total body selenium is 4 to 10 milligram. Average concentration is 6 milligram. It is widely distributed in all the tissues. Highest concentrations found in testes, liver, kidneys and fingernails. It is also found in muscles, bones, blood and adipose tissues. Biological forms of selenium occurs as analogues of sulfur-containing amino acids methionine, cysteine, and cysteine as selenomethionine, selenocysteine, and selenocysteine. Sources of selenium. Rich dietary sources of selenium include seafood, meat, milk, and cereals. Selenium content of cereal is determined by its concentration in the soil. Punjab and Haryana have selenium-rich soils. Requirement of selenium. Daily requirement for adult is 50 to 70 microgram per day. Pregnant or lactating women 65 to 75 microgram per day. Children 20 to 30 microgram per day. Infants get selenium through breast milk. Absorption of selenium. Selenium is absorbed mainly from duodenum. It is transported actively across the intestinal brush border in the form of methionine analog. Then it is transported bound to plasma proteins. Selenomethionine can be deposited directly in tissues and also taken up by myoglobin, cytochrome C, myosin, aldolase, and nucleoproteins. The amino acid selenocysteine is directly incorporated into protein during biosynthesis. It is not a post-translational modification. The UGA termination codon is used for the direct insertion of selenocysteine into selenium-containing enzymes. So it is considered as the 21st amino acid. This is the structure of selenocysteine, where selenium just replaces the sulfur of cysteine. Excretion of selenium. Selenium is mainly excreted through urine. Small amount is excreted through feces and expired air. Blood level of selenium is 50 to 100 microgram per deciliter. Levels in blood and tissues are influenced by diet. Functions of selenium. Glutathione peroxidase is an important selenium-containing enzyme. Its different isoenzymes occur in RBCs, plasma, hepatocytes, pulmonary cells, and other tissues. It is present in cell cytosol and mitochondria and functions to reduce hydroperoxide free radical. So in this reaction, we can see this is the hydroperoxy fatty acid of polyunsaturated fatty acid of the membrane. It combines with reduced glutathione or GHase to form hydroxy free radical of fatty acid and water and oxidized glutathione. Similarly, hydrogen peroxide, which is a free radical, combines with the reduced glutathione GSH to form water and oxidized glutathione. These reactions are catalyzed by the enzyme glutathione peroxidase, which is a selenium containing enzyme. Synergistic antioxidant action with vitamin E. Selenium acts as a non-specific intracellular antioxidant. Action of selenium is complementary to vitamin E. Availability of vitamin E or tocopherol reduces the requirement of selenium. In this diagram, we can see the synergistic antioxidant action of selenium with vitamin E, vitamin C, and other antioxidant enzymes. So this is the lipid bilayer membrane, this is the cytosolic side, and this is the extracellular side. So lipid bilayer membrane is mainly formed by phospholipid, and polyunsaturated fatty acid is a part of phospholipid. So this PUFA or polyunsaturated fatty acid is attacked by various oxidants and other free radicals to form peroxyl free radical peroxyl PUFA, which turns the neighboring PUFA into another free radical and the chain reaction goes on. This peroxyl PUFA is converted into hydroperoxyl PUFA by vitamin E and it gets oxidized into the oxidized tocopherol, and again it can be reduced by vitamin C. So vitamin C is the aqueous phase antioxidant and vitamin E is the lipid phase antioxidant. This hydroperoxyl PUFA is released into the cytosol by the enzyme phospholipase A2, and hydroperoxyl PUFA is converted into hydroxy PUFA by glutathione peroxidase and selenium, and in this reaction reduced glutathione is converted into oxidized glutathione. Similarly, hydrogen peroxide is converted into water. This hydrogen peroxide we get from superoxide anion, which is catalyzed by the enzyme superoxide dismutase. Thyroxine 4 is converted to T3 by 5' deiodinase enzyme, which is a selenium containing enzyme. In selenium deficiency, this enzyme becomes defective, leading to hypothyroidism. Selenium protects from development of liver cirrhosis. Selenium concentration in testes is the highest in adult tissue and is necessary for normal development of spermatozoa. Selenium is concentrated in midpiece of spermatozoa as a specific selenoprotein in mitochondria. Selenium has anti-cancer effect due to its antioxidant role in destroying carcinogenic free radicals. Selenium binds to cadmium, mercury and other heavy metals and decrease their toxic effects. Selenium also occurs in some membrane proteins bearing non-heme iron and function as mixed function oxidases. Keshan disease is a selenium deficiency disease. It is an endemic congestive cardiomyopathy found in children and young women residing in regions of China due to selenium deficient soil. So there is also a combined viral infection with Coxsackie virus, and the first symptoms were found in the Keshan province of China. That is why it is termed as Keshan disease. Countries with low soil concentrations include parts of Scandinavia, China and New Zealand, also been reported from Andhra Pradesh of India. There is multifocal myocardial necrosis, cardiac arrhythmias and cardiac enlargement. Isolated selenium deficiency in other parts of the world cause liver necrosis, cirrhosis, cardiomyopathy and muscular dystrophy. There is another selenium deficiency disease known as Keschenbeck's disease. It is seen in several parts of the Eastern Asia and is characterized by degenerative osteoarthritis. There is joint deformities and shorter long bones. Selenosis or selenium toxicity is mainly due to occupational hazard of workers of paint, glass, ceramic and electronic industries. Toxic dose of selenium is 900 microgram per day. Selenium is present in metal polishes and anti-rust compounds. Toxicity symptoms are hair loss, falling of nails, diarrhea, weight loss, and garlicky odor in breath due to presence of dimethyl selenide. In selenium toxicity, selenium replaces sulfur in proteins and inhibits thiol enzymes. Fluorine has been shown to counteract the effects of selenosis. This has been found in areas with high levels of both selenium and fluorine, that selenium was not toxic even with a high level when fluorine was also present. This is all about selenium. Thank you.